Hello students, welcome to the online class of first year engineering mathematics. This is Dr. Kiran Poddar, Angadi Institute of Technology and Management, Belagavi. In this class, we are going to discuss an example of finding pedal equation of the curve r raised to n is equal to a raised to n into sec hyperbolic n theta. Sec hyperbolic n theta. Very first, we'll be considering the given curve r raised to n is equal to a raised to n into sec hyperbolic n theta. Fine. Then apply log on both sides. Then it becomes n into log r is equal to n into log a plus logarithm of sec hyperbolic n theta. Sec hyperbolic n theta. Then differentiating this with respect to theta is equal to. With respect to theta is equal to. What is that? N into differentiation of log r with respect to theta is 1 by r into dr by d theta, which is equal to 0. Which is equal to 0. Plus 1 divided by sec hyperbolic n theta as a token of differentiation of log of sec hyperbolic n theta. That into differentiation of sec hyperbolic n theta is what? Differentiation of sec hyperbolic n theta is minus n into sec hyperbolic n theta into tan hyperbolic n theta. Fine. Therefore, it is n into cot pi is equal to minus n into sec get cancelled, then it is tan hyperbolic n theta. Now n also get cancelled. Therefore, cot pi is equal to minus tan hyperbolic n theta. Now don't say that it will be converted as per ASTC rule, because it is not trigonometric, it is hyperbolic, where pi cannot be found explicitly. When the value of pi cannot be found explicitly, what to do? We need to go through the expression first. What is that expression says? Consider p is equal to r into sine pi. But here we need to substitute the value of pi, which is not there. We have cot pi. Therefore, what to do? Taking squaring and taking reciprocal. That is 1 divided by p square is equal to 1 divided by r square into sine square pi, which is nothing but 1 divided by r square into cosec square pi, which is nothing but for the 1 divided by p square is equal to 1 divided by r square into bracket 1 plus this cosec square can be written as 1 plus cot square pi. 1 plus cot square pi. Okay. What I do, I'll be taking the given example as equation number 1, the curve, and this second equation will be taken this modified one. Fine. This modified one. So this modified one says 1 by p square is equal to 1 by r square into 1 plus cot square pi. Fine. To eliminate theta from equation number 1 and 2, consider the values. One is r raised to n is equal to a raised to n into sec hyperbolic n theta as equation number 1, and second is 1 by p square is equal to 1 by r square into this. But here one thing we need to keep it in mind. What happens? Here we can substitute the value of cot square. Then what it is now? 1 by p square is equal to 1 by r square into bracket 1 plus. What is cot? Cot is nothing but minus tan hyperbolic n theta. Fine. When we take square, then this minus becomes plus. So it becomes tan hyperbolic square n theta. Fine. Now I'll be taking this as equation number 2. This as equation number 2. So that is 1 by p square is equal to 1 by r square into 1 plus tan hyperbolic square n theta. Fine, as equation number 2. Therefore, we need to modify one of the equation as per this. We can see here, is there any similarity between these two? No. Here it is sec, here it is tan. Then try to convert either sec into sec hyperbolic into tan hyperbolic or tan hyperbolic into sec hyperbolic. For that, we'll modify this equation. Equation number 1 can be taken as r raised to n divided by a raised to n is equal to sec hyperbolic n theta. Sec hyperbolic n theta. Then what to do? We will take this result. Okay. We know that sec hyperbolic square n theta is equal to, we know this identity. What is that? Sec hyperbolic square n theta is equal to 1 minus tan hyperbolic square n theta. This is the known fact. Tan hyperbolic n theta. Therefore, wherever sec hyperbolic is there we can put 1 minus tan hyperbolic square n theta, or wherever tan hyperbolic is there we can put this result. Therefore, which is nothing but, okay, I'll take it here. Then it becomes tan hyperbolic square n theta is equal to 1 minus sec hyperbolic square n theta. Fine. So this is one more result. Then better to substitute this result here in equation number 2. Then equation number 2 becomes 1 divided by p square is equal to 1 divided by r square into bracket 1 plus this result. What is this? Tan hyperbolic square n theta. That is nothing but 1 minus sec hyperbolic square n theta. Fine. Therefore 1 divided by p square, 1 divided by p square is equal to 1 divided by r square into 1 plus 1, that is 2. 2 minus sec hyperbolic square n theta. Sec hyperbolic square n theta. But we know that sec hyperbolic square n theta is nothing but r raised to n by a raised to n. Therefore, 1 divided by p square is equal to 1 divided by r square into 2 minus the value of sec hyperbolic n theta is nothing but r raised to n by a raised to n the square. Therefore, r raised to n by a raised to n the square. Fine. This is nothing but 1 by r square into 2 minus r raised to n is nothing but r raised to 2n divided by a raised to 2n. Therefore, the value is 1 divided by p square is equal to 1 divided by r square into 2 minus r raised to 2n divided by a raised to 2n. So this is the expression, which is nothing but an expression of a relation between p and r without having any angle theta. Therefore,